Guess what came in the mail? Galaxy Buds.
Perfect.
I got these along with my pre-order for the S10. Got them for free $99. They retail for $130, but hopefully you all got yours too for free with your S10. So let's cut to the chase. I'm going ahead and do this unboxing. Got my handy dandy, where's that? Blade. Get that. Alright, these are the white earbuds. I wanted the black ones, but I didn't have a choice when I was pre-ordering, so it is what it is. We just gonna rock with them. So earbuds gonna have 6 hours of playtime with the charging case. Gonna give you additional 7 hours. Of course, you know it got the wireless charging. So now let's check out what's inside the box. So off top we gonna have the, guess this is like the extra accessories. So these looks like, oh, alright, so we got our charging cable, USB type C, and what just jumped out, a couple extra air tips. Got a little more in there, bunch of air tips in there. Alright, so that's about it. It's in there. Just a bunch of extra air tips. Might use that, I don't know. Might just keep on with what's on there. Alright, so inside the box, we got just quick start guide. Some more books. So I throw that to the side. Alright. So this is the main event. The Galaxy Buds. Well, let me go grab the phone real quick. File these over here. Grab the phone real quick. Alright, so grab the phone real quick. Alright, so I got my Galaxy S5 because when I crack these open, it should automatically pop up showing me how to connect. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, there you go. So for the connection, here we go. Connect these real quick. Alright, I'm just gonna walk through the setup process. Boom. I don't want to report nothing. Agree. Yeah, oh, that's cool. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so that's just showing that you got the touch. Got one tap to play or pause. Got double tap for the next track. Triple tap, you go back for the previous track. And you got the touch and hold to activate your Google Assistant, decline a call, or whatever you want to do with it. I think the triple tap, the touch and hold, that's you could change that in the settings. You got that ambient sound. You know, we're gonna test that out during the full review. Okay, if you want to pair it with like another phone or a tablet, just walking through how you do that. Alright, and charge it with the phone. So you know what, let's check that out real quick. Hit that up. Wireless power share. Turn that on. All right, it's ready to charge. Go ahead, let's hit it real quick. See how that go. Oh yeah, you heard that vibrate. You also can see the little red light hit the camera. So boom, it's charging. Wireless power chair. All right, let's pull these things out. The setup's complete now, so should be connected. They're nice and small, light. Got the right ones, left ones. Put them in the air, see how they feel. Oh, they fit pretty comfortably. Quick little sound test. What we got? Oh man, salute to that boy Nips. Play a quick little mix. Sounded good. Okay, a little bass, a little bass. Turn the volume up a little bit. Oh, I think I like these. They fit real snug in the air too. Shaking it. Quick little shake test and ain't coming out. Woo. All right, I'm done. Yo, these sound good. These sound good. Yeah, yeah. So, I'm just gonna put it through its paces, man. Give it a quick test. Rock them out in the gym. Rock them out on the way to work. See how they hold up. But that's what it is, though. I like them. We're gonna see how they hold up. So that was just the unboxing and initial impression. I'm about to give these a spin for about a week, put it through its paces, and then get back to you guys with a full review. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it. That's Joe again with another Joe Tech Talk. I'm gonna see y'all later.